Okay, this is the factory camera for the Audi Q50. We remove this thing, and we put that one and take off all this stuff. It's a royal pain in the butt to do, but it comes out factory. Okay, all the wires are nice and neat. You don't see anything through the liner, no wires showing. And then on the back, we went ahead and ran it inside this whole thing, so that way you don't see no wires or anything. You know, it will look a lot better than having a wire from here to here like that with little clips. So this is cleaner. It was a pain in the butt too to do, but I think the end results are worth it. That's the kind of work we do for our clients. Anyway, whoever has these type of Q50s, Audis, and this is the dash cam. It's called Fixcam, and it's tailored just for your vehicle. We're here based on out of Miami. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. Whoever buys these cameras and need an installer, we do Miami, Homestead, Pepper Pine, Fort Lauderdale. You know, so give us a call. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.